this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and categories and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Category 2. We talk about the boundaries of this property, so you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Many categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem booking or this property, you can give us by commenting any review. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property.